shit. Help, y'all. Help.
Dead deer right there.
All right, guys, so we had a pretty good cleanup this morning. We decided to come back out here since we still have some time. Brought my kayak with them. I try to utilize it and maybe get them to some spots that they can't reach.
All right, so just kind of got halfway situated. We're gonna paddle around and see if we can find where they're at. All right, they're all down there at the other side. So I'm gonna sneak around out here so they don't hit me. All right, really shallow right here. Oh, hold on. What is this?
Did you just grab it?
Yeah, that's a valve right there, and it's a tank.
Really? Oh, that's like good. Yeah,
Just pulled the valve right off of this. I think it's a big propane tank. Oh, well, Matt's thing got stuck. Let's go over here and rescue him. Ugh. Whoa! Woo! Hey, we got a find in the boat. All right, we're about to play some limbo.
Oh, no.
Oh, splash! Oh. It says CoinCo on it. It looks like a change counter.
Really?
Yeah, it's got like little slots where money runs through. Ooh. Got a cut in half catalytic converter. Some metal pipe. Oh, we got here spark plug, battery, which is never good to be in the water, and a fork. Oh, I think there's a tire connected to that, or metal pipe. Ooh. I think it just come up some.
not quite. It's just out of reach.
All right, I'm gonna leave the rope right here. Woo! Water running down my armpit. A little chilly. All right, Bryce is about to give me his claw.
Oh, my bad.
Got it this time. Let me make sure that's it. Yeah. Pull yours a little bit tight. I'm gonna snatch mine off of here. Maybe. Ugh.
It's a newspaper machine. It's probably full of mud. Those things are so heavy, but they're gettable. Yeah. All right, well, let's try to get this, I guess.
Whew.
All right, Matt, you and me should be able to get that.
What is that? I wanted this pulp in there from the newspaper. Is there? If there's not a lot of mud, don't worry about it.
Oh man, what do I got here? Ah, big metal nut. Ow, need to get my gloves on. Ooh, metal pipe fishing line all over it. Supposedly this bridge we're at right here has had a Civil War battle. This is where Bryce found the cannonballs. Oh, hi. Let's go see that. It's a dead deer right there. Absolutely no idea, but it's metal. Just a bunch of big metal chunks.
That looks like a copper pipe.
Grab it.
There's a big tree limb. I could just barely feel the top, but it's just, I got to feel down through mud. It's completely buried. Whew. All right. So before it gets too dark, we're gonna get all this stuff cleaned up and go on, head on out of here, and we're gonna come back in the morning and see if we can get the rest of that big stuff up and we have a little bit more light. All right, so we're back at the bridge where we got the newspaper stand and something else that's stuck down there we couldn't get up. We're gonna get this stuff out the river and probably head to another spot. This one's getting pretty dried up. But today's gonna be just some big heavy pulling. Full of mud, gonna be super heavy, but we've gotten heavier.
Watch your fingers.
You wanna go here and in between me?
Right here?
Yep. One, two, three. There we go.
Oh yeah. Ready? No! We had it.
That V8, that was like...
You wanna try to get a better shot than right there?
Alright. Y'all ready? 1, 2. Alright, wait for it to turn.
Oh, be careful right here. It's
We gotta send it, dude. Ready?
oh shit.
Help, y'all. Help.
Got much more leverage than me.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Let's go. Alright, let's jump. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That thing is heavy, man. Start off the day with a big old find.
All
A
right.
lot of weight right
It
there.
is.
Look at that. It says coin return.
All right, Amy, grab it.
All right, Emmy, you got this.
Okay, let's go.
There you go. Use your
All the
legs.
legs, right?
No, let's see. Oh man, it's ain't bad now. Ew, it splattered on me.
All right, I did see this. Someone's been.
This is all we found yesterday from this spot. Now we're gonna take this to the scrap yard, or we might wait a little while. I don't know.
No, we'll just go out today and go.
Yeah, we're just gonna go hit some more spots, try to fill this trailer up, and probably end up throwing my kayak on the roof, get it out of the way so it don't get scrapped. All right, well, see you on the next one.